Hi, today we will show you how AiTrillion Performance Report work. So in the AiTrillion Performance Report, you will see all the modules report in one place. In one dashboard, you can see how many orders come and how many orders are assisted by AiTrillion. So you can see in one dashboard, orders coming via loyalty program, order coming via email marketing, via web push, product recommendation, affiliate, workflow automation, membership, pop-ups, announcement bar, and abandoned cart. More than that, you can see your customer engagement report, your workflow automation reports, your email marketing campaigns report, SMS, loyalty program here, like how many points are earned, redeemed, revenue assisted, your product reviews, your product aggregated reviews, web push notifications report, your product recommendations report, abandoned cart push, abandoned cart emails, pop-ups, announcement bars, membership, affiliate program. So all these reports are available in just one dashboard. You do not have to go into multiple dashboards to check the reports. It's too easy for all the merchants to set up all the features in one app, that is AiTrillion, and check all the reports in one dashboard. Thank you.